Welcome to Korea! If you just arrived at Seoul Station on the Airport Railroad, AREX, and you want to visit one of the most stylish neighborhoods in Seoul, Ikseon-dong and Jongno, this guide will show you the easiest, fastest, and luggage-friendly way to get there. The whole trip takes about 19 minutes and is extremely convenient, even if you're carrying big suitcases. Once you arrive at Seoul Station on the Airport Railroad, follow the signs that say transfer to line 1. Don't worry if you have luggage. At Seoul Station, these allow you to slide your suitcase upward or downward without lifting it, and let it ride up with you as you walk beside it. This is why Seoul Station is one of the most luggage-friendly stations in Korea. After the transfer, continue following the signs toward line 1. Convenient spot if you are heading to Ikseon-dong because it gives you the shortest walking distance after arriving at the destination, Jongno Station. You avoid long corridors or confusing exits. It's the perfect spot for travelers with suitcases. So remember, car 61 on line 1. Once the train arrives, hop on and get ready for a short ride. From Seoul Station to Jongno Station, and the announcements are made in both Korean and English. When you arrive at Jongno Station, stay near the doors and prepare to get off. Because you boarded at car 61, you'll find yourself in the perfect position to take the shortest walking path toward Ikseon-dong. From the platform, simply follow the signs for Ikseon-dong, exit 6 or exit 7, depending on your preference. Both exits lead you toward the neighborhood with only a short walk. You will not need to climb long stairs or walk through endless tunnels. You're only a few minutes away from the cozy alleys of Ikseon-dong. The walk is simple and enjoyable. You'll pass traditional streets mixed with modern cafés. Follow the small signs pointing toward Ikseon-dong Hanok Village. The atmosphere becomes more charming as the alleys get narrower. It's a short walk, but full of character. A perfect warm-up before you explore the cafés, dessert shops, and hanok-style restaurants waiting inside Ikseon-dong. And that's it. The easiest, quickest, and luggage-friendly way to travel from Seoul Station Airport Railroad to Ikseon-dong in about 19 minutes. Enjoy your time in Ikseon-dong, one of Seoul's most beautiful neighborhoods.